sasabihin ko, gawin mo sa akin. Para balance Tagalog sa akin, ha? Wala English eh. Hindi, hello, good evening. Diba, ang formal ngayon. Pero, sobrang ngayong gabi, sobrang iba yung kasiyahan na nararamdaman ko. At alam ko kayo rin, dahil tayong lahat ang bumuo ng pelikulang ito. At gusto ko lang magpasalamat, of course, to TBA at sa lahat ng bumuo ng pelikulang ito na salamat at napasama ako sa paggawa ng pelikulang I'm Drunk, I Love You. And tonight, i-enjoy natin lahat yung ginawa natin pelikula, pinagtrabahuhan natin. So, congratulations po sa ating mga.
Yes, congratulations. Sagot pala po. And now, tawagin ko lang muna siya for ano yan? Hello, Sir E.
Hello. Thank you. Good evening po sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagdalo at sa pag-attend ng aming premiere. This is a movie that means so much to us. I know some people will be surprised bakit I'm Drunk, I Love You, no? When you've seen works like La Laguna and Sunday BTP, Hindi Ito Seryoso. But on the other hand, we are very serious with this film because we're very, very proud of it. The director, J.B. Habak, is part of our family. We're even more honored because both Pa Salvador and Paolo Andila are in it, and they're terrific in the film, and it's got terrific music video din siya. Kung akala nyo may mga bigyan na yan, wala lang ito sa atin ito, ganun din, you know, as good, if not even better. So, the important thing for us, I'm speaking on behalf of our Chief Executive, Fernando Ortigas and Rocha, because they made this possible for us to get this far with this film. And I know, hindi madaling magpalabas ng pelikula, as you know. So, it's a chance for us kasi lalabas ko sa Wednesday, day after Valentine's. And ang gusto namin sana is, after tonight, spread the word, social media, sabihin nyo kung gano'n maganda itong pelikula nito. Because we need your help, we need your support. As always naman, ang pelikula, kung wala yung audience, bakit pagagawin? So, you're here, you're very important to us. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Sir E. And of course, we would like to call in Direct JB. And of course, we also have Dominique Rojo. Hello, Dom.